Okay, let's see what the police have to say. Hello there. Hi. I have cats. I'm just stepping out. Hi. How are you?
Good, yourself?
Oh, fantastic, thanks.
So you're Dan, right?
I'm Daniel Warren, yes.
Daniel, okay. So today, this is regards to a protest that occurred on the 20th and the 23rd. I believe the 20th of
The 20th was not a protest. That was an action and a common law court that was convened.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's quite outside of the police jurisdiction.
You can call it as it is. But,
well, I'm calling it what it is.
Okay.
Yeah.
But because there is a reopening act in regards to this, with the restrictions that we're going through, Mississauga is in the gray zone, stage 1 right now.
Right.
So.
But you know I don't stand under that jurisdiction, right?
Yes, but you were present.
No, but I don't stand under that jurisdiction, nor do I stand under the Reopening Ontario Act.
Okay.
Whose authority are you here under?
The Reopening Act.
Right, so I don't stand under that jurisdiction. There's no consent or anything. These laws don't actually apply, but the Reopening Ontario Act, even within your jurisdiction, is an illegal act. It's never been sworn in by the Lieutenant Governor. These laws were never enacted properly. There's never been an oath stated. The Emergency Act was never truly activated. So, what are you folks here for?
To survey some documents.
So, I actually have a ruling from the International Tribunal. You can take that right now.
I'll take it, and I'll do my paperwork here first, okay?
Oh, but I'm not taking that.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not. Okay, so again, this thing that you're about to hand me, I'll just leave this here for you. But I'm done with you folks. I'm not taking that document. There's no contract here.
I'll just leave it here because I'm going to serve it to you.
But you haven't served anything to me.
I'm serving it to you right now.
No, you're not. I'm not taking it. I'm not accepting it. There's no consent of contract.
There is no consent that needs to be required.
Okay, well, if you're not doing consent, if you're not acting legally even within your own jurisdiction, I'm simply not taking that. There's nothing lawful that you folks are doing, and in fact, you are both party to an offense. So I'll leave those here for you, but that's a ruling from the International Tribunal of Common Law and Justice. My name is right there. I've acted within the law and everything, so you folks can take these documents, but I'm not on your jurisdiction. Okay. Have a great day.
Just so you know, you're being served.
And that, folks, is how you deal with the police right there. They can say whatever they want. They think that I've been served. I have not been served whatsoever. So they're hanging out there. They've got my notice, and that's a notice directly from the International Tribunal. This video right here will be used as evidence. So they think that I've been served. I have not been served. Nothing has been done. I did not consent. I'm a living, breathing man, not standing under their jurisdiction. So they can do whatever they want. That's fine. That's their free will and choice. But I'm not taking that ticket because I do not stand under that jurisdiction. Okay? So thank you very much. We'll see what they do. They're leaving it on the door. But again, that's fine. They're walking out. They've left it there. But I am not taking that ticket. Period. Because it doesn't involve me. It doesn't involve our jurisdiction. Folks, this is what you do. Okay? No consent. Nothing lawful. Tell them what they are and then be done with it. Don't take the ticket. Now, that thing that's out on the porch right there, I'm going to send it right back to them. There's a thing that you can do. If you look up Amanda Vollmer, and no, I'm not going to throw it in the garbage, right? Because again, that's that doesn't really send the message home as much. Okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write on it. And what you write is rescission. Rescission means that you're throwing the contract back at them. You're saying, sorry, there was no contract to begin with. You don't have jurisdiction. And in that, I'm also going to include the 44-page document that Jack sent to all these folks, that we've sent to them as well. And that shows that even within their jurisdiction, they have broken their own laws. So again, this will be sent off to them by registered mail. I already did that for the last summons. And let's find out right here, right now. So we have a fun little letter right here. And yeah, it's just one of those great little things. So they've said, same thing as, and by the way, Cullen and Rebecca got one too. And this was never actually served to me. I never took this. I'm just making sure that they are not littering right here. But it's one of those $888 pieces of, well, toilet paper, whatever you want to call this, right? So that officer just said to me, yes, you are taking this. I never took this. Again, I'm just cleaning up the garbage that the police left over here at my home. So the police littered on my home. Now, they did take the documents there. So they have the information that shows that I am officially not under their jurisdiction, which is great. So I'm going to send this to the International Tribunal as I mail everything off. But again, rescission, no contract. And there's a letter that I have that states that I am under the common law jurisdiction. But in addition to that, that paper that was given to me by the International Tribunal with my name on it directly shows that they need to cease and desist. So there's nothing that validates this over what they're doing, right? You guys, for everybody here, you've got to understand, or not really understand, comprehend. You've got to comprehend that these folks only have jurisdiction and authority if you give it to them, right? What you just saw there is me not giving them authority, okay? The tickets for the violation of the Reopening Ontario Act, but that's why I stated to them, I don't stand under that jurisdiction, and that's why I asked them, whose authority are you here under? And they said the Reopening Ontario Act. That's not an authority. That's not a figure. That's not consented. That's not legal. Okay, we know that. We have everything. So again, this means nothing, but it's an opportunity to actually say, I don't stand under your jurisdiction. Okay, so how can we get the letter from the International Tribunal? Super awesome question. If you go to their website, which is under our Common Law 101 section, you can actually just go right there and you can send, along with your toilet paper, you can send them that document right there. So so that's all that there is to it. This was an opportunity. So thank you very much, folks. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and check out Amanda Vollmer's video on her website. It's called How to Fight the Fines and Grow a Spine. That's the name of the video. How to Fight the Fines and Grow a Spine. Amanda Vollmer. She'll take you step by step with how to do this, but it's not complicated. You find the address of where you're supposed to send it to. Boop, it's right there. Rescission, no contract, red pen. It's your best friend because that is a sign of a living, breathing man or woman. And then we just send it right back to them. The ruling and the judgment from the International Tribunal is an immediate cease and desist of all illegal COVID measures. Okay, you can send this to and they have a ruling for the vaccine as well. So when you see that sign of the International Tribunal, click on that. You've got their rulings there. You can send this to anybody. Step outside their jurisdiction. Stop playing in their slave box. Those folks had no authority, no power over me whatsoever. And they walked away with my documentation, and I did not take theirs. So there you go. This is just a fun little arts and crafts project for me this afternoon. Have a great day, everybody, and hopefully see you on Friday when we take another action for our friend Harold, where we will be there doing a vigil to make sure that Harold gets to see his wife on Friday. Understand that's the most important part there. Friday, Brantford, noon, John Noble Nursing Home. I think it's 97 Mount Pleasant, but John Noble Nursing Home. A good man is going to see his wife on Good Friday. Thank you very much, guys. Have a great day.